I am sorry, Mr. Ola. We cannot give you a loan. Oga Ola, why you dey squeeze face like person wey egg no dey in moi moi?
Mama Emeka, I don tire. Na the third time bank dey refuse me loan. I wan take do now.
Oga Ola, you never hear of trader money?
Trader money? Wetin be that?
Trader money na correct government program wey dey give interest-free loans to we petty traders. So, you fit collect 10,000 naira to 100,000 naira without collector after you pay back.
How much to take join?
Trader money, e no dey collect money from we petty traders to give us loan o. Na to just waka go any major market, find a trader agent to register. Me sef I don collect my own and the thing don help my business well well. Chineke mo, Oga Ola, why you dey rush dey go na?
I wan go register with trader money. Sharp sharp.
Oga Ola, abeg wait for me. Mama Zainab, you too? Yes na. Who no like better thing?